First, remove these 4 screws. Slide the transparent tank forward a little, then you can take it out. To install the seal ring, start from this position. Start right here. Don't stretch the seal ring. Just place it on like this, no stretching. Press it firmly into place. Pay extra attention here, don't let it pop out. You must start from the middle position. Make sure the seal ring is tightly locked inside, especially here. Never stretch it. If you stretch it, it won't fit. After installing, be sure to check here first, don't let it pop out. Double check this area again. Line it with the hole and set it down. Once it is done, check again if the seal ring is in the right place. If it's not properly seated, first, screw in the 4 screws gently, don't tighten them all the way. After lightly securing the 4 screws, tighten the 2 screws at the back first, then tighten the 2 screws at the front.